Hey guys, Tony here. A lot of you guys asked about the NIO, plays, and if you know what I think about if it's going up or down. I still honestly, um, I this time I do think that NIO might go all the way back to $38, just because momentum has been down for a while now. The week chart on the week chart right now we're looking extremely bullish still. I don't I don't know. It's kind of a tough call for this one. Um, right now for NIO, as far as news and fundamentals go, there's no reason why it shouldn't be going up. It actually just released its month report and it did like 106% year over year growth, right? So there's no reason for it to actually keep going down. It might stay consistent at these $44 levels, like between 42, maybe $44. But as far as like just TA goes, it does look like it's going to be heading all the way back down to $38, like no doubt about it. As far as just looking at technical analysis, it does look like it's going to go all the way back down to $38, possibly 35. If you guys do want to get this long term, there's no reason for you to not be buying at these prices. If you're going to get it as a swing trade or for options, swing trade, I would strongly recommend you wait till it hits the $38 level. If you're doing options, I'd probably recommend puts right now, maybe a week or two out for puts, because momentum, it does look like it's going to be more towards the downside. But on the day chart, whenever we do cross these levels, we don't stay bearish for too long. We usually only stay bearish for about a day or two. We really don't stay that long. So the only thing that worries me is this huge candle that got created on the day chart, right? So the only reason I'm worried is because of this candle that got created, right? This huge candle, and it's not finished, right? It's not done being created. I do think that NIO is going to keep going down today. It's going to keep going down up until the stock market closes today. And, there's the potential that tomorrow we might rebound a little bit. But overall, I do think NIO by Friday might end up at $38. That's just my opinion, right? If it was up to me, I'd probably buy puts right now. And probably make out like a bandit, to be honest. I wouldn't do puts on NIO just because I'm not liquid right now, so I can't buy too much. But yeah, as far as TA goes, nothing supports NIO, and the fact that it's gonna stay, on the upside. It does look like, NIO does look like it's gonna go all the way back down to like the $38 level, just to be completely honest.